I told you, she's a biter.
That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, paperwork.
What you packing?
You know, standard LSPD issue 9 mil.
Sweet. I gotta get some hardware. A store detective's a detective, you know.
Kinda. Hey! Stop right now!
All right, let's go! Let's go! Shit! They're still on us!
Chill out. It's under control.
They're coming, Michael!
Relax. I got this.
We've got a person resisting arrest west of...
Drive! Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
What's wrong with you? Hello? No seatbelts? Get us out of here!
Chill out. It's under control.
Trying to kill me back here? I do not want to go to prison.
Relax.
Get off me! I can get in the car myself.
You had that opportunity.
I said get off me, you stupid bastard!
I told you, she's a biter.
That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, paperwork.
What you packing?
You know,
Sometimes I need a
standard
good laugh,
LSPD
like
issue
what's
not
inside.
easy there. You know, standard LSPD issue 9 mil. I'm gonna take. He's got my car.
Okay? Hit the gas. Let's go! Go, 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 go!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Come on, come on, come on!
I'm on top of it.
report of 140 on,
The cops are still after us!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Do you have to? Hello? No seatbelts? Drive, Michael!
I'm on top of it.
If you don't stop the car, you're gonna have trouble.
Shit! They're still on us!
Chill out. It's under control.
You trying to kill me back here? They're coming, Michael!
Relax. I got this.
Get us out of here!
Chill out. It's under control.
Let's go, Michael!
I'm on top of it.
There's no point in losing the cops if I'm dead in the back seat. I do not want to go to prison.
Chill out. It's under control.
Air support en route. have a 20 on him.
Help me!
Hello?
Dispatch, we got eyes on the front. Suspect has entered the freeway.
Copy that, 10-4.
What's wrong with you?
Stop the car. I repeat, stop the car. Stop the car now. Please, put it in park, will ya? Dispatch, suspect located.
God damn it! Fuck! Not the car!
Not funny!
dispatch. Need some guidance here. Support. All units advise he's heading north.
You had that opportunity.
I said get off me, you stupid bastard!
I told you, she's a fighter.
That's assault on top of the shoplifting. Easy there. That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, the paperwork.
What you packing?
You know, standard. Hey! Stop right now!
All right, let's go! Let's go! I do not want to go to prison!
I'm on top of it.
Drive! Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Officers report a person resisting arrest.
Hello? No seatbelts! Come on!
I'm on top of it.
Shit! They're still on us!
Chill out. It's under control.
Get us out of here!
Relax. I got this.
They're coming, Michael!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Of course they're gone. Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Don't say it!
What?
That I have everything I want, so why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Can we drive home, please? I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at, love, big love.
Are we going home? So this is what it's like to be you.
Not really, honey. See, I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness protection.
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we see what Agent Dave and the FIB think of this Lovers on the Run act?
Where are you going?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Thankful? This is the worst day of my life.
Ah, come on, you're doing your part. Your spending habits have got us into a sticky financial situation, so you're cutting corners.
Really? My spending habits? I've seen your day trader account.
Oh, hey, that's private. I swear, password protection, it ain't even sacred no more.
Give it up. You pissed our savings down the toilet.
Really? Our savings?
Yeah, our savings. I gave up everything to start this life with you, you selfish shit.
Yeah, okay, all right, whatever. Our savings. It's just, look, you can't look at the day-by-day figures. You gotta look at the overall, the net.
Hold on!
Net figure.
I've seen the net. It's a fucking disgrace.
Hey, I'm bringing it around.
Sure you are. Just please give me some warning before they repossess. Get rid of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway. Oh, and yeah. Thank you.